what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely good. So welcome to the Vlogmas 2020 series, and today I'll be sharing my November favorites with you guys. But before that, there is a request for you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel because we are very close to 200 subscribers and I want to make my family a little bit bigger, because I have noticed some people watching the whole video plus liking the video but not subscribing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also if you like to follow me on my social media, here are the handles, go follow me. So now let's just begin with this video. First, we will be beginning with the skincare products, and which I've been through the whole November month and before that also, but suddenly I thought of starting this series. So the very first product is this aloe vera gel, which is almost over and I'm showing you guys this way, but I have another product there, right there I have product. So this has been there with me from I guess August, and it really hydrates my skin very well. It's a must for every teen, you can say, or girl, you can say, to hydrate their skin because it was really perfect. And this is from Green Leaf. I don't know if you can see, but it will come Brita. So yeah, it's almost over, but I'm going to use it only and then open my new box of this. So you should definitely try this out. Don't worry, I'll be putting a screenshot over here. Okay. Now the next skincare product is this face wash from Nykaa, the tea tree and neem face wash. Why this face wash? Because it really hydrates your skin, nourishes it, removes any blackheads or anything that you have on your skin. And neem is the best thing in this face wash, and it's from Nykaa. You know, like when you take such neems, people come to see the videos and really want to see like, really Nykaa, huh? Like that. So this is the face wash I've been using, and it's really very perfect. You should definitely try this out. There are also two more, you know, flavors, or what you call, I guess the saffron and orange something, I really don't remember, but this attracted me to it because of the neem and tea tree. So I just love this. The next thing in the skincare, I have this Amp Caffeine face mask. So these face masks, why, you can see there's a whole video coming on Amp Caffeine, so wait for it. It will be coming in this Vlogmas series only. So it's really perfect, like for every skin. It removes your tan, and I won't tell anything more because you have to see the video which will be coming on Amp Caffeine. It's really a very good product. It's naturally without sulfate, paraben, cruelty free, and you should definitely try this product out. So guys, now the next thing comes is makeup. I don't know, but I'm a bit, I'm become a makeup freak right now. Just I love makeup, I don't know why. So the very first thing is this Color Bar BB cream, which is SPF 20, because this really changes the whole skin tone. I have not used it now, but this works really very well. I have bought it from the beauty center from Mumbai and from the Color Bar. It gives you a really very nice coverage. If you are a person who doesn't want to use foundation or anything, then this works superb, really superb. It's really very nice. And also a CC cream, you can say. So here is the thing, and the price of this is only $6.50, and the consistency is really well. It gives you very nice coverage, very nice pigment also, and really changes your whole skin tone. So you should definitely try this out. So yeah, very nice. I'll be sharing this screenshot, and all the links of the products will be in my description. Don't forget to check the description out. The next thing is, I guess, every girl's favorite thing. Yeah. It's the lipstick from Color Bar, and this lipstick have been working very perfect. I'm just showing all the swatch of this lipstick. So this is the colors pink, dusky pink, you can say, and it's damn. Okay, and it's in the shade 62 Secretly Pink, and I don't know if you all can see, but won't be shoot kar rahi hai. Anyway, I'll be putting any screenshot over here because this gives you that matte finish, and it really lasts for 8 hours. Smudge proof and really very beautiful, and I have been using it, so it has to definitely come in my November favorites. And yeah, you can see the color over here right there. So yeah, if you really love lipstick, you should definitely try Colorbar, because Colorbar is the most trusted you can see. Like, they will never disappoint you. And the last thing comes the palette. That's the You Can Be palette. I hope you have seen it, because I'm in love with this palette because it's so pigmented, so nice consistency and really beautiful colors. Let me show you. You might have seen in my any videos. If you have seen my videos before, these are the colors. And they are very well pigmented. I'll just show you a quick swatch. I'm not good at swatching and all, but let me show you the pink one. I'm just thinking it, and because it's a very light pink, very nice. Like, it really will stay on your skin. And then take a darker pink. Swatch it. Like, really, can you see the difference? This is the light pink. I don't know what you think. Wait a minute. This is the light pink and this is the dark pink. Really very beautiful colors it have, like so many colors, and it's really perfect if you like seeing for a really nice eyeshadow. You can definitely go for this palette because it comes with all from nude to bright vibrant colors. You should definitely try this out, guys. Really, I know I'm not something who should tell about this, but yeah. And sorry, there's one more skincare product. Sorry, I forgot it. Okay, bye. That is the shade mask. It's from Garnier and I've tried this out. It really gives you that, like a different glow you can see after using it, because it's perfect, and even some serum left, so you can use it on your hand. And like sheet masks are the best, and I have also reviewed one sheet mask of Lotus, but even Garnier really good. And now the price is 75. You should definitely try. And winters are coming, so you need to keep yourself really hydrated, nourished. So this is really a good purchase, you can say, or think you have to buy. I don't know. Anyway, this you should definitely try. And there are different flavors also coming, and this is Sakura White something. Yeah. Now you can see the second last thing is some things that I got. क्या कर रही है लड़की? Okay, the very first thing is this bottle from Starbucks. Can you believe it? The Starbucks have been my love. Like, I was just waiting to go to Starbucks and have their coffee. It was like so much tempting me. And then I got this bottle from there. It's very mini. I know it will be very pricey, and I'm not telling the price. It's like, I don't want to tell you the price, but this is really absolutely good because store cold water, it stays, warm water, it stays, and they really charge for this logo because it's Starbucks International Brand. Or the basic Starbucks. Come on, give me there's no Starbucks. No problem. But yeah, this is the bottle. It has a lemon or something, and it really makes me remember Starbucks. Anyway, this really very cute bottle, a really good purchase, and I'll be using it definitely. I don't know for how many years till it lasts, because it has Starbucks and Starbucks is love. Starbucks lovers hit like. Then the next thing is this cute little diary, which I brought from Lonavala VR Mall is there from there. And it's very cute because it comes, I don't know how many pages because they have not written it over here. Fan chalo karna kitna garmi hai. I don't know why there's so much humidity here. But anyway, this is a very small, cute diary that I got and love over here. And on this diary, I'll be making all my YouTube plans. You can see I've not opened it yet, like started it. I'll just show you all. It's rule pages, like normal rule pages. And it's quite very fair, like I really love it, and it comes with a ribbon so you can tie it over here. I made a bow now. I'll not make it now. It's really very cute, and it came for about 350, and it was okay because 350 because this is made of threads. This is wholly of threads, and a very cute, and many pages are there. So yeah, I just love it. And if I get the same kind on any Amazon, Flipkart, I'll be linking it in the description. Now I have this very cute little bag. I needed a bag, so it has, you know, nice ears, you can see, and this is the unicorn horn. It's like holographic sort of thing. Very nice, and a small chain over here and one more chain over here. This is really good purchase because it came for only $250 and it's amazing. You can see it's very comfy, like, you know, budget friendly, you can say. You can store your things and go anywhere. If I get the same kind of bag, I'll be linking in the description, so do check the description out, or wait up. That's fine. So really cute little bag, amazing bag. You should definitely have such cute little bags, you know, like if you want to go somewhere, how you can take this bag and definitely go, like very comfy and very makeup is the best thing, like storing such cute little bags. So, and now for my November favorites, the last thing that I have is this shoes. These shoes, they are so comfortable, so awesome, like the way then the time you walk, like everyone shoes, you know, really awesome. This I got from Fashion Street, but there are same footwears on Amazon and Flipkart, and I will surely link it in the description. Okay, Shanti, बहुत बोल रही हूँ मैं. Okay, anyway, very comfortable, very nice, and it has been well stitched also inside, so it will work for, you know, years, you can say. Very perfect, and I just love this orange color. And yeah, I'll be wearing it for my birthday, I guess, for the daytime. Yeah, these are a very good purchase. I just love them. And Fashion Street pe, there are so many shoes, like I have all seen shoes and hoodies and what not, and it comes under a budget, you can say. Really perfect. You should, if you are going to Mumbai, and you should definitely go to Fashion Street, Profit Market. Shit, China, you don't know what I just speaking. Okay, Profit Market, you should definitely go to Fashion Street because it starts at one point and ends at Churchgate something. I don't know where it starts, but it ends at Churchgate somewhere that side. So it's really perfect, like so many shops. You definitely go there. And yeah, these are really so pretty. But one thing is my favorite, and I can't say that can't be, and that are nails. नाखूनों का शौक है मुझे बहुत पहले. Like in a bazaar they used to get artificial nails, and me and my sister used to like, हम तो सिर्फ पागल होते थे nails के लिए, and we used to buy every Thursday the weekly the market to get them, and sweating shit. I told it on the fan, yaar. Okay, so these are the nails that I got from Flipkart. This is a Bonjour Paris nails. You get a nail glue inside, but we also tried to buy a separate nail glue because we wanted it to be, you know, for more time on the nails, and I'll be wearing it from my foot. Not this nails, not this one, but I have got another color. So very pretty, and you know, they don't fall easily. If you love nails, you should definitely check out this Bonjour Paris nails. And like thoda sa isme bhi cut color, because if you want your nails to be really perfect, not to break and stay on your nails, then you should have a nail glue like this. Don't worry, all the products will be linked in description. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If you have watched this video till the end, thank you. And there will be many videos coming this month because of the Vlogmas. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's complete 200 subscribers in this month itself before 2021 comes. And I hope you all will have a great month, a happy December. So yeah, bye. See you in my next video. Bye. I love you all.